Juice family! Today we are building a ugly sweater Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. So look at this cute hanger. And we made it out of silver pipe cleaners. This is a hanger. So we put it inside the shirt. So first I choose my shirt color. There was only green and red, so I choose red. Second step, you gotta choose our string color. But if you're having red shirt, you gotta have green string. Then you make a hanger with silver pipe cleaner. Then all of the decorations with hot glue. Now I'm gonna make a similar one. I got felt red paper, and my mommy draws a sweater shirt on a paper. Now we're gonna cut the felt paper into this ugly sweater shape. Mommy has cut it. Now we gotta sew it together, but like this, it can't be like this. It gotta be straightened and no seam on the bottom of this one. So that's why we cover it. Next, I gotta select the thread. I selected white thread. Now I'm gonna start sewing.
Oh, good job. Good job, very good job.
So my mommy helped me with the tying. She tied it in the end. Now let's decorate time. See, look at this. My mommy cut it as cream star, and the color's cream. I got mommy's old earrings. Gonna put them right there. These are my mommy's earrings. So I pretended as this is a Christmas tree. It's down on top. Now I'm gonna glue this. Isn't it beautiful? I hope it'll be beautiful. So let's get started glue. This is my design work. My mom stitched 3 of these hangers like these. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna glue other things. I'm using pipe cleaner to make a hanger. So first make an oval like this. And so make an oval like this. Now I twist. So now what we're gonna do is now we're gonna fold it right there. Then you gotta cut it right here in the end. Now we bend it right there. Right. I'm just really excited. Da 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 da. Now I wanna show. See, it's similar, but different decorations. So I made this at my school. I made this for a video in my YouTube channel. And don't forget my YouTube channel name is Kichu's World. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope everybody subscribe and like. Thanks. Bye. Thanks.